Hello everyone, I am Krishna Ghute, a data science student from MG University. In third semester, I had web technology subject. So I had made a basic project with the help of languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript because we got challenged that learn these three languages from online website W3 School and develop a project by yourself. So this was my second project after the resume, which I had already uploaded on LinkedIn and GitHub. You can check that. And this was my second project. So in that project, I had used CSS, like we can see here. This is totally the CSS for all the my structure which I had made for this project. And here we can see the project specifications. Like first, I had to develop a dealership website with these specific purposes. Like there are features like digital inventory, finance calculating tool because truck dealer want to calculate their finance and EMIs and down payments. Then there is many dealership have the accessories and parts they sell with the trucks. So this also I had to add. Then location for the tracking of that showroom and then user experience, technical details, and additionally gallery and all other details like showroom video. Then I had made this project with CSS. Firstly, I had developed a basic structure of HTML with the sessions and divide uh, tags, and then started building project. Like for the going to the different sessions and divisions, I had made this menu. This is a proper functioning menu. Like with this help, you can go anywhere. So by using CSS, I had made this uh, side uh, side transparent with some dark effect, so user can see website where he is going. Like if I click on finance, then I come to this finance calculator which work on JavaScript. Okay, then first, and this is the JavaScript for the menu. Then second, we made this intro that this is GK dealership website of the trucks. Then their intro, like this video start auto playing after opening website. Then this is the moving truck gallery. Like I had added four images and again duplicated these four images for looping. Because if I add these four images, then four images goes and here blank place created. So I had it again pasted these four images here, and so after completing first loop, that after going that first four images, again next four images come, and again loop restarted. So I had used loop also here in JavaScript. Then I had displayed here truck informations and their images, like the basic information like engine capacities, and their gross weight of this truck and payload capacity of truck, fuel tank capacity, then gradability and the price of the truck. Then this session is only for the truck information. Then there is the truck availability. Like many times truck is not available, and if user want to know whether the truck is available or not, simply he can come here, visit this website, because truck dealer has to handle hundreds of customers. So from the backend they can uh, modify this within by changing this color. Like if instead of red I make here green, then automatically uh, it become green because it is working with the it is working on live server. So if I change this to full red, then it automatically become out of stock. So anybody can change these colors if you want to daily change these colors. Means it is simple, and uh, is a simple website for uh, dealer also and user also, because user can see all the information here and dealer can make changes from backend with the help of me or any developer or by itself also. Then this is the finance section. Like uh, truck dealers follow a basic structure, like they take down payment of that truck. Like for example, if truck is worth of 40 lakh rupees, then they take uh, 10 lakh down payment, and for 30 lakh rupees they make EMI. So like I had said, if the price of truck is 40 lakh, okay, then this is 40 lakh. Oh, sorry, it become 4 crore. Actually, it is 4 lakh. Okay. Then interest rate, average interest rate of truck is, average interest rate of loan is, let us say 8.5, 8.9, no, 8.5. And the loan duration, let's suppose we take loan for 4 years, means in months, 12 into 4. Let us take for 48 months. And here we can see the per month EMI is 98,593.29 rupees, means approximately 99 lakh rupees. And these trucks are huge, so they make average income of 3 to 5 lakhs per month. If they make trip of approximately, if truck run for more than 500 kilometer, 5,000 kilometer, then they can easily earn 2.5 lakh to 4 lakh rupees. And uh, with that estimate, this this EMI worth for that truck. Then uh, user can see all these trucks from here, and if he is confused in 2 to 3 trucks, he can choose 2 trucks here and compare them. Like if you compare, he get a small table. Like it gives specification between engine mileage and price. So he can this mileage, because truck is running in 1 month for thousands of kilometers, so this mileage and engine also makes sense, and this price also, because if he's saving 10 lakh on one truck, then with that 10 lakh rupees he can invest that 10 lakh rupees on fuels, or keep invest any other. So this is a booking service where truck dealer have to give his name, phone number and all, and book service. Actually, for this booking service, we need to connect backend server where this booking come, and after authorization of that dealer, booking get confirmed. So here we need to use PHP, which I will learn in future and use in next project, because here is not that here my madam had not given me that specification that learn PHP and make the backend. So I had not make backend for this website, but there is a hotel website, sorry, menu website, for which I had made that backend. Here is no specification given, that's why I have not made that PHP backend. But yeah, I can make a PHP backend for this. So there is accessories part, like truck engine filter, truck tires, and truck accessory kit. So if I want to buy Tata Prima's two engine filters, because truck buyer had maybe 10, 20, 5 trucks. Means if he had multiple truck and he want two, then he just click on add a cart. Then he want approximately 5 tires, then of the Tata Prima truck, then he can add it to the truck. And for those two trucks, he want truck accessories. So if he just add it to cart, then we can see he need to pay 1,43,980 rupees. And here we can see cart. So I had said with the help of PHP backend, we can manage all these. And here is the live location. Here is the with the help of that map, and all other with the help of map and that container, anybody can add here this map. So if I want to go view larger map, it will show the live location of that truck dealership. Like I had taken a random website, but here you can see that Satish drug dealership on here, and you can choose your part to come here. Then I had add here just some frequently asked questions which can open and close like a classic for every website. And then here is contact us. And I had add these three more what we can say tokens. So three more icons of WhatsApp, Instagram, and LinkedIn. If dealer have any of the public account on this website, then here we can add the number of WhatsApp. Here we can add page link of that Instagram, and here we can add LinkedIn. So just on one click, it throw me on the WhatsApp. And if I had given number, because I had given wrong number like 99999, so that's why it's showing this number. But if you give proper number, then it will take on a proper WhatsApp. Then here we can see Instagram page, like I had given false page, that why it's showing like this. And here from here we can go on LinkedIn. Likewise, this is fully working functional website, and you can see it on the LinkedIn. This project was developed with the help of only three languages because a requirement was that, and this was all that. Further, from the C++ subject, I had get additional challenge that attaches C++ backend to any website, means use C++ backend and web technology as front end. So I had made another project uh, with the help on this topic only for the truck dealership. But only difference is there I had used C++ as backend. So here all the information displayed here coming from the C++ backend. Thank you.